Hello, everybody. Just getting my stream on my phone. The stream seems like it is working just fine. So, again, I just put it on my phone so that if I break my stream or anything happens, I'm able to see it. OBS is finicky with me from time to time. Yesterday, I was streaming and I went like a whole 2 minutes without audio. So generally, I try and like keep my audio up for a second and then put it back down. But this is my monitoring system at the moment. So Chloe Lewis here, founder of the Marma J Foundation, and welcome to Coffee with Chloe in the morning. Second cup of the day. Up relatively early the past couple days, and it's been pretty fun. We have our testnet node synced, and we are a valid. We don't seem to be validating yet, but we are a validator on our node, and we do have the required stake on testnet, and it seems like it's working. It's interesting. So I'm going to do this for a bit, then we're going to go to mainnet. But for now, this is paras.id. It is a NFT minting and marketplace platform on the Near blockchain. And we had the Marma J Chan event, and there's the Chan category. And so generally, I still collect from this category from time to time. I probably own some of these already. There are editions of more than one. So like this is an edition of 3. If you check the details and check the history, you could see that Marma J DAO bought it for 2 near. There's just more copies. So I'm not sure how many copies were there originally, but it got decreased to 3 a month ago, and now they're on sale for 1 near. So kind of the DAO, the foundation already owns that one. This one as well. If you go to owners, you can see the Marma J DAO owns one. Star Paws Jordan owns one. Love it. This is an edition of 1. I actually like this series from this creator, but I was a bit confused by some of their designs, but they're very cute. So this, let's see. My Marma J Chen. Okay, yeah, here 006. It's pretty cute. Maybe we'll buy this one. Let's log into the ledger. I forgot to do that. See, I was so prepared for this stream. But yeah. Let's see. Okay. That's actually pretty interesting. These glasses are so reflective. Anyways, we are logged in. Let's go to the app ledger. Usually I offer less, but it's already less than a near and it looks pretty cool. So we're just gonna buy this one, I think. It'll redirect to the wallet. It will, say, hey, this is going to cost 0.5 plus some storage of near. This is the storage, 0.01128. More information, you can see that we're going to go to the x.paris.near smart contract. That's the Paris marketplace. We are going to call the NFT buy function on that smart contract. And we're going to do it, we're going to NFT buy token series. This is the token, 55523. That is what we're buying, a bunch of numbers that point to some art. And the receiver is going to be marma.near. You could call this on the CLI or the command line in the terminal, and you can actually send this to anyone. So you could buy NFTs and send them to the DAO. You can buy NFTs and send them to a friend. But through the simple UI that we have here, it only really allows you to buy. So we're going to hit yes. Then on the ledger, we're going to confirm all of that information. It'll process it and it'll say, yes, you are the authorized owner of that account. You can sign that transaction on this smart contract. And now when you go to owners, you can see marmaj.near owns it. Wonderful. Then we have Pixel Pets. I'm not going to make it full screen because it continues to break my OBS. Very frustrating. But you take 3 pets. This is like another game on the Near blockchain. You take your 3 pets, you fight against another 3 pets. Do I have any eggs? I do not have any. Actually, okay, we're not going to go full screen, but we are going to... Okay, yeah, no, we have 28 out of 28 pets. So, but you have this little depreciating rank, which is very cool. So warning, you haven't played a match in more than 12 hours. Your rank will decay in 10.1 hours. They have a decaying rank, a decay function, which is so cool. So it's exponential decay. If you don't play for 2 days, it goes down by like 4 or something, I don't know. But they have exponential decay. So if you don't play for a while, your rank does increase. You do have to play arguably relatively often to keep your rank, which is, I think, good. You know, you play, you get better, but you know, someone who plays more might level up faster and catch you after a while if you stop playing for a few days. I think it's pretty good in there. It seems like the game is relatively, you know, 60 players can get rewarded each week. That's a pretty large community that say you're getting rewarded every other week. Maybe that's a total of 80 players getting rewarded. And maybe even more because they have the global ladder and the rank ladder. So maybe they're actually rewarding up to 100 people. I would love to know that metric. How many unique accounts are getting rewarded in this game on a weekly basis? But 100 people is a pretty large core blockchain community with which to slowly improve the game and add additional features. So that's pretty good. So one of my pets just died, my Amophila. Usually dies first. The Nox comes in, and the Nox actually has almost as much shield or defense, as the Amophila. So I think very soon the Nox will be better than the Amophila, but the Nox has to level up because it dies way too quickly and defeated. We're back into first though, from my understanding. Let's see. Oh, whoa, we just got into second. So we were in first for a day or two, now back into second. Good job, Gia von Gvx. Great job. We have some tokens, but Ref doesn't like us right now, does not like pixel tokens, and so it did not work to deposit them and add liquidity. The idea was to continue adding these pixel tokens as liquidity for the Marma J token pixel token pair. Then we can look at Sodaki real quick. It's ref.analytics as well. Probably works. Let's actually check. Ref.analytics. Nope. I have no clue what that is. Anyways, it shows you what's going on with Ref Finance. TLV, total value locked, has come down a bit. Volume's not that great. A lot of stuff isn't that great. And Near is doing all right, below 10. I think Near is again, not financial advice with anything I say or do. I think Near is worth around $10 in this market. Okay, like I'm not saying that its true value is 10. I'm just saying the market sentiment seems to be pricing it around 10. So it kind of jumps above 10 from time to time, 11, 12, 13, higher highs, which is great. And then higher lows, which is awesome to see. So you're not dumping down to $2 anymore. You're not, you're seeing dumps instead of down to, 4, you're seeing dumps down to 6 something on the wicks down. So relatively strong, price increase over the past year or so. No complaints here. Ref is doing very poorly. To be expected somewhat, in my opinion. Some features taking a long time to come out. But I think the platform's actually doing quite well. Blockchain development takes a while, but there's other places to allocate funds in the Near ecosystem now, not just Ref, and so there's other platforms to invest into, and I think that's kind of having Ref come down a little bit. You can invest into the Near ecosystem without having to invest only in Ref these days. And the Marma J token not doing so hot, doing all right, $13. Again, we pegged the Marma J token pretty closely to Near when we first put it out. So it's tracking around there, a little better, a little higher USD valuation price than Near. I think it's 1.3 at the moment. But yeah, looks all right. For the farms that we have in Ref, We have about $9 in rewards, US dollar value of these tokens in rewards. We can just hit claim all. It won't make a sign. It'll just I have to unlock the Z ledger again. My bad. This is what I get for talking too much. Okay, but it will not make me sign in the ledger for the transaction. It already has doesn't sign for that transaction, which is, I think, pretty interesting. So $58 of reward. Let's say we wanted to withdraw the ref and withdraw the Aurora. Those are the two highest values. Maybe withdraw the Paras too, just for fun. We can withdraw up to 3 at a time, from what I remember. Let's just make sure I'm actually remembering properly. Yeah, so 3 does work. Did I already go? I already went to the Ethereum application, but you can ping the ledger, see, and then make sure that it does it perfect. Okay. Yeah, and then let's go to deposit. See what we have in here. We have no Marma J. We have a little bit of Near. Let's see if we have anything in the wallet. Sometimes we just have extra tokens sitting around. We have Ref. We have Paras. I'll send some Marma J tokens here and we'll do that later. Oh, I was also supposed to donate to Gitcoin grants. Yeah, I will do that at the end of this. Let me put that up here. Okay. We're doing that at the end. Okay, so Vaporwave is doing its thing. They're updating all of their vaults. So, but in the next 48 hours, they should have them all upgraded and hopefully some more vaults added. It's doing its thing. This number of like WANA LP, for example, that's deposited is continuing. Wait, there we go. Sorry, it wasn't opening. I was very confused. It's going a bit slow. That's all right. Sorry, switching over back to the Ethereum as well. But yeah, so the amount of WANA swap here is going up quite a bit each day, which is to be expected. It's buying back the LP, which is great. The WANA token continues to go up and up. So it was at around 30 cents when I started doing these videos about it about a week ago. Now it's $2.29, which I think is hilarious because we keep selling a good chunk of WANA every day. But again, gonna continue doing that. That's just part of the pool. We have some WANA tokens in this LP, which is, again, we're selling WANA all the time in the LP, but we're also buying it back. Well, not buying it back, but we're buying back LP at a higher price, I guess. That's what that does. But if WANA tracks back down, it'll be worth it. But then we have WANA USDT, which is doing all right, around $1,600 in there. We have the WANA pool. We have about 1,200 WANA tokens, which I guess has been doing the best. That's kind of like our, I guess, higher risk pool. Just holds WANA, earns WANA. Looks like a lot of people are pushing into that pool. So it looks like APRs are going to stay pretty high for now. Token price continues to increase. It seems to kind of chase this APR here, or APR. We have quite a bit in the DAI Near pool just to support the Near token with with some stablecoin liquidity, and then quite a bit of Near ETH liquidity, because I think that's what supports the Near ecosystem most, being pegged to another smart contract blockchain liquidity wise. So I do believe that Near will be here to stay and it'll track well in terms of ETH. So that is what that's for. And Near has been ranging relatively well with ETH. So no complaints there. I did harvest this morning already. So this is not a fresh harvest from the night before. Sorry about that. I think it was around 300 overnight. Can't remember exactly. My bad. I usually try and leave it overnight so that in the mornings when I do the streams, it'll show what it looks like to like go to bed and wake up to like the yield farm. But yeah, I don't really Maybe tomorrow I'll remember to do that. So right now there's MetaMask transactions coming up on my screen. I'm confirming them on my ledger. It just shows like, hey, do you really want to accept this, transaction from this smart contract? I'm signing to say yes. Graphically signing with my account, my private keys, and saying yes, please do this on the blockchain. So generally what we've been doing is we don't sell all of our WANA usually. So generally so after we claim, we harvest from the farm, we go to stake, and you can see we have 28 tokens, which is insane that 28 tokens is worth $2.30. Used to be like 300 tokens was worth $2, but anyways. So we take around 10%. So 10% is the minimum, but we do a little over 10%, which is not much in this instance. And then we stake that. But gas is free on Aurora at the moment, so it doesn't really matter. All transactions are arguably profitable, profitable in the sense that you're in profit instantly because you don't have fees if you're just staking. If you're in profit in WANA tokens, not in like USD. Okay, so we have staked that amount. Then we go to the swap. We do sell WANA every single day. That's just the way this goes. So we are going to sell around, actually, forgot. Sorry. I actually don't need to sell any WANA. I sold too much WANA this morning. So I have some extra USDT. So, which is actually good because, not good, but anyways. I sold too much WANA this morning for less, so not good. But we're not going to sell this WANA. We are going to... I actually don't have enough. Awesome. So we're going to add our USDT with the WANA that we just earned. Now we have some USDT WANA LP to start farming. We have a little bit extra WANA, and so this is kind of where I could sell some of the WANA for USDT, add more to the pool. Sometimes I might just add some extra WANA to the staking, just to be like, why not add a little bit more? So let's see. Yeah, I'll probably just add it here just to keep things simple. So this will make a little more sense of like why I'm doing things like this in the next few days once Vaporwave launches their new contracts. Then we go to the farms. We have some liquidity here, so around $81.19 of liquidity to add to the WANA USDT pool, which we continue to lose out on in terms of we would have made a lot more money if we just kept it all in WANA and just put it into this WANA X pool and just earn the rewards there. But arguably, if we're going to continue supporting this WANA community, the WANA token also needs some stablecoin liquidity, just like the NEAR token needs some stablecoin liquidity. So we're helping balance out the ecosystem by having some WANA USD. We do earn a little more APR for it. For taking on that extra burden or extra, whatever. Yeah. But yeah, as the token tracks back down, it'll be, you'll earn in the fees, which again, we'll see how much that's worth. But yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yes, sorry. No, I do have to. So $24. There you go. So, but yeah, they say the power of compound interest, right? So you put $5 away a day for years, and it works out well. So here's the same thing, just over a shorter amount of time. So you put in, $100 or something a day into this WANA X pool. It's earning 1,000% a year, and it's earning the 30%, around 30% trading fees per day, over a year, paid out per day. Adds up pretty quickly, which is nice. So I had this open just because I just wanted to talk about it quickly. I'm currently going through. So I have my testnet validator set up. You're supposed to ping it once a day, I think. I'm going to try doing the ping like this, which should be at minute 19, past hour 2, and 14. So I'm going to check with Chluff, the dev that helps out for near multi-call, but I think what this should do is have a decentralized cron job, so an automated job on the blockchain that will ping our validator. I can do it manually, like once a day or twice a day, but it'd be really awesome to try it out with Croncat. It'd be really cool if the DAO could do it as well. So on mainnet, when we have our mainnet validator, we can have a DAO proposal that says ping the Marma J validator in this time period, which would be massively insane. The last thing I do want to do, I'm going to make sure I do, is this video 20 minutes. So I try and keep them 20 minutes or under. Been doing okay. Today was 20 minutes, like exactly just now, but we are going to do some Gitcoin stuff. So we do have a Gitcoin grant. It is, Gitcoin grant time. We've raised $136, which is actually, I guess, pretty good. So thank you so much to everyone who has contributed to us in this grant round. We're just going to use the funds to continue to support the Marma J community. We have not been as active in Gitcoin this time, the past couple of rounds, mainly because we've been very focused on trying to get the DAO set up and figure out what our projects look like. Gas prices on Ethereum have been very high, so it's been difficult to actually interact with Gitcoin at times. But like, for example, we have Gitcoin grants from last round, but it costs $50 to receive $40 in round, which we just, doesn't really make sense. We are arguably we're definitely we're not a registered charity or anything like that, but we're a altruistic organization. We try and just be as efficient as possible with our resources so we can support as many community members as possible. And so raising $136 is much appreciated, and it's like layer 2. So most of it's on ZK Sync. So I can check here and I can show our account on the Explorer for ZK Sync, and everything in here is contributions. So we've earned all of these tokens. So 0.05 ETH, we've earned that, a bunch of PAN, USDC, USDT, and some DAI. So we've earned all this, and we've actually donated quite a bit already. And we've earned even more, which is so wonderful to see. And so what we do is we come back here, we go to the grant. It's always a bit hard for me to redefine stuff here. And we start picking some to donate to, just to kind of give back. So if we're earning $150, even if we can't be as active in Gitcoin as we'd like to be in the community, we can give out at least $100, for example. We still earned 50, which is great. It's in crypto, so a lot of times it'll go up. Like the ETH that we have there goes up quite a bit. And we still get to give back to other people in the community, and there's quadratic funding. And so the funds you earn can be given back to others, and you can kind of vote with your funds. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is using the collections. We have our own collection. I'm going to click to view all collections, and I'm just going to add some collections to our cart. I know it's not always perfect. I've actually made some mistakes with my collections, with a Chloe collection, Chloe's list, with like old grants, but I try and keep up to date with it. This time around, I didn't do a very good job. I haven't really checked yet. I'll admit that. But like Kevin, I will definitely probably just, add all to cart for whatever he has. And I'll look through it at the end just to make sure it all looks good. Let's actually duplicate the tab and just come back because, yeah. Okay, so yeah, 13 things in my cart now. Awesome. Simona Pop continues to donate to us most years. I think we're actually in her collection. So we will definitely add her collection to, where is it? Yeah, add all to cart. Perfect. Yeah, so we have, let's see, hopefully up 40 in our cart. Nice. Let's see. Who else? Did I already add Superfizz? I feel like I added Kevin instead of Superfizz. I'm going to do Superfizz now. Really? What? No. There it is. Okay, it took some time. But a lot of stuff in ETH staking. Our original server up here, which I guess you can't see, is going to be our ETH node one day. It is sitting here. It is ready. Technically, we do. Oh, okay. Well, when we run as a validator, this bad boy is still here, ready and waiting. For now, we're getting ready with Near on testnet and looking to kind of, this needs a lot more powerful machine for Near, but for Ethereum staking, you can run it on a less powerful machine. It has 1 terabyte of storage. It has 64, I'm pretty sure 64 gigs of RAM, way more RAM than it needs. And yeah, slow processor, but fast enough. Anyways, back to collections. Let's see how many we have on here now. It's still saying 40, so it looks like I did not add Superfizz's collection. So my bad. Let me add all to cart. I think I was just talking about them. I got really excited about ETH staking, and then that that's what happened there. Okay, so now we have 44, which seems reasonable. I'm sure there was some doubles and stuff like that. Okay, this might be about it, but I'm sure I can find. Vivek, are we gonna add your collection here? Maybe, maybe not. I want to see if there's anyone else in the community I know. Oh yeah, Penn Valley League. Let's definitely add. Okay, we're gonna do Penn Valley League separately because we're gonna donate Pan to everyone in the. I wonder if Marma J Foundation's here. I hope so. I think we got added last time around, but I honestly don't remember. So let's keep it at this. See, we're not here in the Penn Valley League, which we should be, but honestly, I actually don't mind. It's kind of funny. I don't know. I don't mind not getting too much grants. I kind of just like using the platform and giving to people, and it gives me a cool way to give to others. I don't know. The Marma Day Foundation doesn't need external funding. But I am going to do different ones. So we're going to donate to these 40 something grants first. Let's go to the cart, check out with 44 grants. I have to unlock my ledger again because, oh my gosh. Okay. So we have to log into our other ledger account. Okay, so we cannot afford giving 20 DAI to each of these. That would so minimum 1, and we apply to all. It's saying minimum 1, even though, sorry, it's saying minimum 1, even though I put 1, and it's, okay, let's see if we have enough. Ooh, they made the checkout better. I really appreciate that. Remember, we know how much DAI we have here, so it's 46. So we do not have enough. Oh, snap. Oh, that's going to be how much extra we give matching. What if we don't? Okay, we still can't afford it, even if we don't give 1.19. So can we afford that? No, we can't afford that. Okay. I don't want to take off. Oh, there's just too many grants that we have, actually. Can we 44.6 and 46, and we have enough. Let's see if we can do a little more. So this is what I like to do. No, we can't. We have to actually do 0.00119. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if apply to all. Let's see if this works. Actually, it would have worked, but it might have not worked. Let's see if it works. We're going to change our network on MetaMask to ETH mainnet. Okay. Then we're going to say we're ready to. Oh, they have Polygon checkout too? What? Okay, that's wild. That's why I always use ZK Sync. Okay, proceed. ZK Sync has gotten a lot better over the years. Fees, $15. Uh-oh. Might not work. Maybe I can pay fees with something else, though. Let's see. Now I gotta sign my ledger to log into ZK Sync. So all this can be done through my ledger, whether it's on Aurora or Near. It's gonna cost 60 DAI. You know what? Maybe I could do. Oh, I can't. Huh. Let me try something. Let's try Polygon checkout. Whoa. These grants don't have Polygon addresses set up. Okay. And the minimum I can do is 10 DAI. Or 1 DAI. Okay, so I'm going to have to take some off of here, sadly. Okay, so translating stuff in French, I can remove that because Google does free translating. Nifty Inc., great platform. Got a lot of people interested in community awards grant, these aren't inactive CLR rounds anyways. Wait, is it actually... man, we're good. I had so many... I did say I was going to look through it, and I didn't do that. That is on me 100%. I guess I wanted to just test how much it would cost. I didn't actually mean to actually go through. I always donate to Mintbase each time just for fun, even though they don't really use Ethereum stuff anymore. I'm not sure if it's they still use their Ethereum accounts. They might not use ZK Sync, to be fair, but I think it's a reason to check your ZK Sync account one day. I don't know. But I do appreciate everything Mintbase has done. I think it's cool having they still have a grant open. It's still matching, and so I give a little there. This is not active. Okay, so let me just take out all the non-active ones. Wow, we can definitely fund everything now, right? Because perfect. Okay. Now we're actually gonna check out. Yes. They do some trickery. These people are way too smart with like the stuff they create, but like they haven't, like, there's so many edge cases in crypto for like, oh, I closed this browser and I didn't mean to do that, and they've gotten so much better with their error messaging. But like it's coming in exactly with all the gas and everything. Wait. Layer 2 balance 0. Wait, I'm so confused. We have this. I don't want mainnet. What is happening here? I just opened our wallet. We have 40. Okay, I don't know what's going on right now. This is taking a long time. Okay, so we're logging in. Wait, what? Oh, this is the wrong account. So we're gonna change our account. I was so confused for a second. Disconnect wallet. Darn it. Okay, it didn't want to, okay. Okay, I can change it from here. I'm being silly. Here we go, switching accounts. Yeah, 46 DAI. A lot of ETH, actually. That's awesome. Thanks, everyone, for the donations. And a good amount of PAN. But this is being very weird. So let's see if we can do it again. Maybe it's because that's okay. I think I know why. We'll see if we can fix it now. See, there you go. Complete balance. It was logged into the wrong account. My bad. Complete payment. Follow the instructions in your wallet. I'm getting a MetaMask pop-up asking me to sign the transaction. It's going to send that data to whatever prover checker they have, whatever. And it's going to make sure I signed it, and then it's going to do that payment. Wasn't that easy? It wasn't that easy, but it was easy enough. Got it done. Okay, now we did that payout. That should be done. I don't know if it worked, but my cart's empty. There you go. Let's refresh the page. Woohoo! We donated some grants. I'm already verified. Leave me alone. Share on Twitter. I don't need to share it, I guess. But sure, maybe someone wants to use my collection. Or honestly, it reminds people to vote. I always forget. I'm just going to tweet it how it is. I don't really care that much. Okay, so now, more importantly, not more importantly, let's add all these to the cart. And I think we had 700 pan, if I can remember. Generally, I try and keep the ETH in there, from what I remember. I've probably sent the ETH before. Okay, this time, let's actually go through them and make sure they're appropriate. But first, let's change it. We're not doing DAI, we're doing pan. And that's too much pan. Nope, that's also too much pan. Oops, I didn't apply to all. Going a bit slow. Sorry about that. Hello. Okay, let's just go scroll with them first. Looks like they're all active matching rounds. Oh, and it's good because I think I took out this one before, Community Awards, and now I'm giving them pan. So perfect. Okay, I don't know why it's not. Okay, applied to all. Too much. So let's just do 819. Apply to all. It might take a little while. I love this new calculation thing though. It makes it so much easier. Okay, I am ready to check out. ZK Sync checkout. Proceed. $17 in fees, and they charge you in pan, which I love. Sign the transaction on my MetaMask, then sign it manually on my ledger. Oh, so we had 150 left. Complete payout. Awesome. I'm happy I remembered to do this because I kept forgetting. And whenever I'm really busy and I'm not really doing much in Gitcoin land, I try and make sure I'm at least coming on every couple months and donating, because it is something I can do. And being a part of Gitcoin has been so great for me, my mental state. It's helped the Marma Day Foundation quite a bit. So mostly with the airdrop, I suppose. Awesome. Close that. I think I got a pop-up now. We'll see. Maybe if I refresh the page. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so Gitcoin grants done. Croncat we talked about. Vaporwave doing its thing. We're on the wrong network, but we'll switch to the Aurora network. Continuing to go up, doing very well. WannaSwap, very proud of y'all. Great team so far, from what I've seen. We'll see. But yeah, I guess until tomorrow, I'll get on with another video. God's willing. I hope everyone has a wonderful day wherever they are, and yeah, hoping Web3 tech near during this stream at some point, but we'll hopefully start to shift into getting more into like running the node on testnet. So using my new machine, I'll probably have like a second screen maybe that I can show, or I'll like SSH into it and try and show some stuff. But once most things are on Vaporwave, the idea is that it'll be a lot shorter, just kind of, buy an NFT, play some pixel pads, show how Marma J token's doing, go on ref and just, maybe update our farms or do something, whatever with ref. The then everything's going to be pretty much auto compounding. We're going to have a few tokens here, maybe on the Wanna X pair, maybe that are just available to play around with and move things around. It's loading slowly, it does that sometimes. But generally, I want to talk a bit more about